Hi, my name is Jenna Shaughnessy and I am the blogger behind JennaKateAtHome.com, where I share inspired home decor and delicious recipes to help make your house at home. Today I am sharing my big kitchen reveal. I started designing this kitchen back in late January, early February. After many delays on cabinets and other things, we finally started construction at the end of May, and only now at the beginning of August are we done. So it's been a long process. We had a lot of bumps and hurdles along the way, but I am so happy with how it turned out and I cannot wait to share it with you guys. Before we get to the big reveal, let's take a quick rewind and see where we started and how we got here. I think you'll agree it looks very different than it did back in early May. If you have any questions about the remodel, I have my full blog post linked in the description, along with the paint colors we've used and a lot of the popular products that I know I'm going to be asked questions about. If you enjoyed this kitchen remodel reveal, please hit that subscribe button so you can follow along with all my future home renovations.